Practice set 2.5, question number 2, fourth one. Here quadratic equation given 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. Using formula method you have to find the roots. So this is already in standard form. Variable used is m. So standard form we will write am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. So now compare. A is equal to 5, b is equal to negative 4, c is equal to negative 2. Compare. Coefficient of m square is a, coefficient of m square is 5, so a is equal to 5. Coefficient of b is, coefficient of m is b, coefficient of m is negative 4, so b is equal to negative 4. Next c equal to negative 2, c is equal to negative 2. Next the formula is m is equal to negative b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and here first we will find b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac equal to value of b is negative 4. So if it is negative, put inside a bracket and take square, minus 4 into a into c. So a value is 5, c value is negative 2. Next, always keep remember, negative square always becomes positive, and 4 square is 16, and negative into negative, here this thing we will multiply, 4ac altogether we will multiply. So 4 5s are 20, 20 into 2 40, and negative into negative positive, so positive 40, 40 plus 16 is 56. Value of b square minus 4ac is 56. Next, take this formula. After this, substitute values in the formula. Now negative as it is, and b value of b is negative 4, so put inside a bracket negative 4. Next, plus or minus as it is, square root of b square minus 4ac value is 56, so write 56 by 2 into a. 2 into a value is 5. Next, m equal to, now here bracket means multiplication, here we will consider it as multiplication, so negative into negative positive, 4 as it is, plus or minus. Now we will simplify 56. Find the factors of 56. 56 is divisible by smallest table 2 because unit place is even number. So 2 2s are 4, here we have 5, so 1 extra we have, 2 2s are 4, whatever extra 1 we are writing in the next position. Now 1 and 6 become 16, so 2 8s are 16. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Next, 2 7s are 14. So now we will make the group of two same numbers. Here we can make only one group, that is 4. 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. These are not same numbers, but we will write, multiply and write square root of 4 into 14. Whatever same numbers we will get, it is a perfect square number. So square root of 4 into square root of 14 by 5 2s are 10. Next step, m is equal to 4 as it is plus or minus as it is. Now square root of 4 is 2. So 2 without square root we will write, square root of 4 value is 2, and inside a bracket square root of 14. 14 is not a perfect square number, so we will write square root of 14 as it is by 10. Now here we have two terms, one is 4, another one is 2 root 14. Now here we can take common, 4 and 2 can be divisible with same table 2. So 2 we will take outside the bracket. Now start bracket here and focus on first term. 4 divided by 2. Here 2 is taken outside, is it? So 2 how many times 4? 2 2s are 4, so 2 written here. Next, plus or minus as it is, and in this second term already 2 is taken out of the bracket, so remains root 14 as it is. I repeat, first two terms we have, in these two terms we have 4 and 2. 4 and 2 can be divisible with table 2, so that table we are writing outside the bracket 2, outside the bracket. So now start bracket and focus first term, that is 4. So 2 how many times 4? 2 2s are 4, so 2 written inside, plus or minus as it is, and in the second term 2 is there, that is already taken outside, so remains root 14 written by 10. Now we will simplify whatever taken outside, that number and denominator. 2 1s are 2 5s are, so m is equal to, this 2 cancelled, so remains 2 plus or minus root 14 numerator, and denominator is 5. So two values we can write. that is m is equal to 2 plus root 14 by 5 or m is equal to 2 minus root 14 by 5. So these two are the two roots.